Welcome to this next video of Business Studies Class 12, and we were doing directing. So this is the next video of directing. In this video we are going to study about the importance of directing. So let's see the point first, that what are the importance. So it initiate action, integrate employees effort, means of motivation, bring stability and balance in the organization, and facilitate change. So let's see. Uh, Directing initiates action. It helps in initiating actions by the people in the organization towards attainment of desired objective. So, student, we see in the directing that it is instructing the employees what to do and looking that the employees they are doing it in the correct way or not, isn't it? This is what we have studied in the first slide. So, as we saw that in feature of directing also, that it initiates action, and hence it is also the importance of directing. Means this was directing initiates action, this was also one of the feature of directing, and it is also as one of the importance of directing, that initiates action. Means without directing one cannot achieve goal. So in direction what the manager do, they motivate their subordinate to perform the task, and without action organizational goals cannot be achieved. Clear? Then direction integrates employees effort. Coordination of all the activities of an organization is very necessary. A manager is required to motivate employees and work as team. So, student, as in the first video of features and the meaning of directing, I told you that by directing it doesn't only means giving instruction, but the superior, they has to supervise and keep on motivating the employees also. So all these elements of directing, it will be helpful in integrating employees efforts in the organization towards the achievement of organizational goal, because all the work, the main focus of any work is to achieve the organizational goal. Then it is means of motivation. It motivates the subordinates by showing leadership qualities to work efficiently and to contribute their maximum efforts towards the achievement of organizational goal. So means like as we have seen, the superior, they motivate and supervise their subordinate. So it means that the superior, they always keep on motivating their subordinate with the help of directing. Because if you are motivated, means if the subordinates they are motivated time to time, then they will give their 100%. Then directing facilitates change. Employees often resist changes due to fear of adverse effect on their employment and promotion. Effective directing through motivation, communication and leadership help employees to cope with the changes in the environment. Student, these all motivation, communication, leadership, these are actually the elements of directing. Okay, so with the help of these motivation, communication, uh, these the manager, they keep on all these updates, like whatever the changes is there. Means we know that environment is dynamic in nature. Since lesson 1 we are studying this the same thing, that environment is dynamic in nature, and if to be a successful business person, one has to adopt these changes, otherwise you won't gain profit. So through effective directing, by the help of motivation, communication and leading the employee, it helps to adopt the changes which is needed in the organization. Clear? Then the last point says the directing, it helps in stability and balance in the organization. Effective directing fosters cooperation and commitment among employees and helps striking a balance between various activities and departments, and helps in, this will be in student in, helps in striking a balance between various activities and departments. So as when one superior, they are communicating with their employees time to time, so with the cooperation among the employees, it helps to achieve the balance among various groups and activities and the department also, and hence it brings stability and balance in the organization, because the organization, it will only work with cooperation between different department. Like there are different department in the company, so all the department, they have to cooperate together, and they have to fully, the employees, they have to be committed for the work. So student, this is all about the importance of directing, and so thank you and take care, and in case of any doubt, you can ask me through comment box, and please student, do like, share and subscribe the video. Thank you.